Syrups are a great modifier. They add complexity, sweetness, and it can even change the mouthfeel of your cocktail. Today, we're going to show you how to make a Thai Orgeat. It's creamy, a little bit of spice. Let's get started. All right, so you're gonna take your fresh lemongrass and you're gonna cut off the ends of it and use the middle section. So use the back side of your knife to help break up all the fibers of the lemongrass so you get more flavor out of it. Now we're gonna cut it up to smaller pieces. And now we're gonna weigh out 50 grams. Now we're gonna chop up 25 grams of fresh ginger. And now we're gonna do 13 grams of Thai chili. This is what makes this syrup so good. Now we're gonna take 1 can of coconut milk and use that. This is also 400 grams in weight, so I already know that, because I've done this a lot. Next, we're gonna do 200 grams of unsweetened almond milk. All right, and now for sugar, we're going to do 1.5 times weight of the total of coconut milk and almond milk. So we're gonna do 900 grams. Now we're gonna run this on low to medium heat until all the sugar is dissolved. All right, so we placed everything in a vacuum sealed bag. Not too tight because we still want everything to kind of float around here. And now we're going to sous vide it for 3 hours. I like to cut just a small hole in the bag and then double strain it into a larger container. Then for making cocktails, I like to keep it in the cru bottle. This is definitely a little bit more complex and time consuming than other syrups that you might make at home, but trust me, it's definitely worth it. Let's give it a little taste. You get a light creaminess from the coconut and the almond, but you get this refreshing factor from that lemongrass, but then that ginger and Thai chili just kind of hits you in the back of the throat. It is so well balanced in all those aspects. This is probably one of my favorite syrups I've ever made bartending. If you want to see us use this syrup, hit subscribe. This Friday, we'll release a video called Windu. It's one of the drinks I took to the 2023 Iowa's Best Mixologist contest. And in a couple months, I'm going to show you how to make a tequila tiki style drink using this syrup. Till next time, guys.